The older models of JBL had aux port. Now it seems that the aux port is completely removed from the newer models of JBL, like JBL FLIP 5, FLIP 6, JBL Extreme 3, JBL Charge 5 and so much more. But it's not completely true, it's still there. And in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your everyday devices to your JBL speakers with a wire and get stable and epic sound experience. So without further ado, let's start! So where the aux port is hiding inside these JBL speakers? Well, the answer is in front of our eyes. It's the USB-C port. And I know that you're confused right now, but stay with me. You see, the job of aux is to transfer audio from devices to speakers, headphones, and so on. But the USB-C do the same job as well and even much better. So far, everything sounds great. But when you connect JBL to your device, it just charges the speaker. So to transfer the audio to the JBL speaker, we need to do the following. Firstly, we need to connect the JBL speaker to our device with standard USB-C cable. If you're using devices that have only USB-C ports, then you need USB-C to USB-C cable. The next step is to press on the play and the Bluetooth buttons at the same time for 20 up to 30 seconds until the speaker is turned off. When JBL turns on once again, it will enter to service mode. In this mode, the functions of the speakers and the buttons are not responsive. In this mode, JBL will function only as native speaker of your chosen device. Before you start using YouTube or any other media player, I strongly recommend you to lower down the volume as much as possible, at least for the beginning. Because when you connect JBL to your devices as native speaker, every small adjustment to the volume will have big impact. If you're finished working with JBL, then disconnect the USB-C cable from the speaker. In this mode, the power button is not active as well, so to activate the speaker, connect it again to the device. If you decide to use the JBL as Bluetooth speaker once again, then press on the play and the Bluetooth buttons at the same time for several seconds and the speaker will be turned off. Then turn on the speaker and the JBL will be back to its natural state. To take full advantage of your JBL speaker, check out our playlist.